Yo, so I get this question a lot. We're going to use a manual remote today. Putzmeister ergonomic style. Plug your remote in. Have the key off. Hit this switch to the right. This way. Turn your key on. Make sure your E-stop is released. E-stop's off. Hit the second switch. You'll hear the fuel solenoid turns on. You can now start your engine. Give her some revs. Accumulator. There's some volume. Pumps on. Pump off. Reverse. Off. Pump on. Pump off. What happens when you hit the E-switch? Engine dies. Get a bunch of red blinking lights. Want to start it again? Turn your key off. Release the E-stop. You'll need to hear a click. Turn your key on. Fuel solenoid. Running. Accumulator. That's how you use a manual remote on a Putzmeister. Good day.